Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I hope you guys are doing well. I just thought I would share with you the exclusive attendee kit and all of the things that I received for free from attending the Moncton Crop and Create, which is put on by the people who make the scrapbook and cards magazine. So I was able to pick up the Winter 2017 magazine that they had there for free. And it has a lot of different products and ideas, card creations, really cute, just to give you some inspiration. So I was happy to pick that up. They were talking about how the magazine is doing really well, and you know, the fact that it's Canadian is great because we don't have a lot of stuff we can call our own here when it comes to scrapbooking. So that I just wanted to share briefly. Here's a list of what we got in our exclusive attendee kit, and it's got the kit supplies here, and then it has a number of page layouts, how to make cards with the kit, another page layout, and gives you all the instructions, which is kind of cool. The paper in it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to show it to you. So you get that. So in the kit you get the pink paisley Pick Me Up line, the printed foil chipboard, which is this here. So I have to just, and it's double-sided, so really pretty. So you get that. You also get the Pick Me Up. These are the 35-piece, they're like enamel pieces, and they are really neat. There's some sequins, some butterflies, and these are all already having adhesive on them, which is great. These thickers are Amy Tan thickers, I believe, and these are called Shine On, and they're really pretty. I don't know if it's picking up in the video, but they actually have like a teal base to them, so they're gold glitter, but they have like this kind of color underneath them to give them a shadowing effect, which is super pretty. Then you get a lot from the I'd Rather Be Crafting. This is a new line by Echo Park. So you get a sticker sheet, which has all these awesome things. I'm actually going to use my kit to make a mini album from the weekend. It's my first time ever attending the Crop and Create. I went with Michelle, who's Michelle XO on YouTube, and my crafty bestie. And so we went for the weekend. We had a blast. We got to meet Tracy Banks from Mercy Tierra, Nicole Jones from Nicole Jones 911. I was able to meet a couple YouTube subscribers, which was really fun, and it was just amazing. We crafted. I made cards. I made 4 cards while I was there. That included all my coloring and everything. So I was pretty happy with that, but the first night we were there till midnight, the next night till 11, and then the next day until 4 o'clock. So you get that. You also get this cut apart sheet, which will be great because I'm going to do a pocket page and this pretty motif on the back. I'm going to do a pocket page scrapbook album. This is the B side, which is really pretty with these frames. This is pink paisley. This is from Paige Evans' Pick Me Up. The buttons are from the I'd Rather Be Crafting, and this is pink paisley, not pink paisley, I just showed you pink paisley. Echo Park, this is Lori Whitlock, and the back has all sewing kind of things. The same line with the typewriters and the typewriter keys. Another piece of paper from that line with the flowers, and then a geometric print in orange. Here's some cameras, can't go wrong with cameras. A wood grain, nice neutral. Some more cut aparts. I love this one. Craft supplies are a girl's best friend. The answer is crafting. I don't care what the question is. And then I am creative. You can't expect me to be neat too, which is really adorable. And then that just has like a stitch motif on the back. This is from the Pick Me Up line, Really pretty geometric color, and then a blush neutral on the back. A heart paper from that collection, and then a ombre. This is really pretty. It's like a stitched quilted pattern, and this is another pretty geometric shape. Some flowers, and then some more of that like quilted kind of background. And then we got some cardstock. So this is all basil. So you get a yellow, an orange, a blue, and you get 2 white. So a pretty great kit all in all. I did pick up the Crafty Girl Simple Stories. I thought this would go great with the Echo Park line. So it's got all kinds of fun things to help me make my mini album. And then I want to show you what we got for free. It was kind of unbelievable. I'm just gonna straighten up my mat here. That will bug me when I go back and edit. When we arrived, our table had a bunch of stuff on it. This is a My Mind's Eye notebook. Really pretty. I believe it's My Mind's Eye. I thought it was, but the back is saying Paper Love, 2017 Paper Love. I'm pretty sure it's My Mind's Eye. And then they gave us stuff that was provided by suppliers, and the first free thing they did the first night we got there was actually by Lawn Fawn. So we all got this Plan On It stamp, which is awesome. We got a adhesive roller from scrapbook.com. Vicky Booten was there. She is absolutely hilarious. I got to meet her and have some pretty funny pictures with her. And she gave out to everyone there the mixed media acrylic paints, 4 colors. Really pretty. Creative Memories gave out this stack of 4x6 cards. These are recipe based. So there's 12 4x6 and 12 4.5 by 6.5 double-sided papers, but they're mostly cut aparts. And then we also received from Pink and Main this Be Brave paper pad with 24 sheets. I haven't opened it, so it'll be hard to, but it'll be nice for masculine cards. You can see that at all. So we got that. And then I won a prize. I won the Nitpicky by Lawn Fawn. How fitting, for my contributions that weekend on social media. So that was super fun. So the things that I'm not going to use, I'm probably going to put away for a giveaway, but all in all, I mean, just the experience itself was amazing, but to walk away with all these free goodies was pretty awesome. So if you ever get a chance to go to Crop and Create, I would suggest highly that you do it. It was so much fun. Michelle and I cannot wait to go back next year. So that's it for me today. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.